Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Before sharing my cooking video, I want to say something, guys. In this video, I'm giving my condolences to the families of the soldiers of the Indian Army who died in Kashmir recently. I pray to God for the soldiers to have entry into heaven and Jai Hind. So let's start. So today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make zucchini raita for hot weather at your home. And this is my homegrown zucchini. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to grate this one. First, I'm going to grate this one in the grater. So I grated the skin, I grated the zucchini and into this grater, guys. If you have a food processor, you can use that one if you are making in large quantity. So this is ready, and what I'm going to do, so take a pan. Today I'm using the non-stick pan, or you can use any kadai, and I'm going to add some oil. So I added 1 tablespoon of oil. Into this, I'm going to add the mustard seeds and some curry leaves. So I added some mustard seeds and I'm adding some fresh curry leaves. And into this, I'm going to add this grated zucchini. And we have to fry this one for 2 to 3 minutes. And in this zucchini, I'm going to add some salt. It's up to your taste how much salt you want in your raita. And you have to mix this one. So can you see, guys, it releases all the water. So this is basically a water vegetable like ghee and cucumber. So yeah, so we have to fry until it releases all the water. So after 2 to 3 minutes, we have to switch off the flame, and I'm going to put this one in the vessel. So I put it in the big vessel, and when it becomes cooled down, it has to be completely cooled down. Then we have to add thick dahi, some salt and pepper. So yeah, not now, guys. When it has to be cooled down. So that zucchini is becoming cooled down, and in this I'm going to add thick dahi. So we have to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of thick dahi, that is yogurt, into this. So here I added the dahi, and I'm going to mix this one along with the zucchini. It looks so yummy. In this, I'm going to add some pepper. It gives a nice taste in the raita, and I'm going to mix this one. So my zucchini raita is ready, and I will show you the plant, guys, how it looks like. So this is the zucchini plant, and I will show you guys a lot of zucchinis are growing. Can you see? So yeah. So I harvested many zucchinis from a garden, and we can make any sabji. And here, can you see? The zucchini is growing, and here with the flower. So yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make healthy zucchini raita at your home for rice, for roti, for anything, guys. See you soon in my another cooking video, and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.